rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me. Cause she got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place off the liquor that we. Rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me. Cause she got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place off the liquor that we chase. Got some egos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on that tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine. Got a fine little body and her mind's kinda naughty. They say that once you taste it, you cannot replace it. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement, a body by Satan. Cause she got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place off the liquor that we chase. Got some egos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on her tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
I'm doing my rehearsals. It's an action-packed, coming soon.
N'abokupya twavumbuddwa yesterday.
Yes, Utakwame Tome Kayanja, the highest budget gangster. I'm working out for my next project. So guys, be ready. Be ready. I love you all. Yo, bro.
Yo,
What's up?
Sultan
Your name?
Fashion Style Icon.
Yeah,
#1 designer.
What's your good day?
Silent award winner. You uza kuba na Uganda.
Nanga wana Uganda mwena abatulaba babuuzako enjoying Mutima Beach.
Okay.
Love you.
Yeah. Agamba atya?
How are you, Tony, and all your friends and fans?
They are
It's
good.
so great to spend a day with my Tony.
That's beautiful.
You know what? This is magic moments that last forever.
That's wonderful.
Mwah.
Wow.
That after her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run and I think
Yes, na Uganda. Mujje tunyumirwe buli weekend.
Tugenda
Mutima Beach.
temubeera mu kwoza ngoye zokka nga weekend bwetera obeera.
Ninga mwebale nnyo tubagira.
Yawa.
Tupasa mondo.
Kafirimu ki ke tuliko olwaleero?
Bakaita Secrets of African Culture. Kalindirire nnyo.
to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on her tight.
Clear.
Just enjoy.
Yes.
Came here to play, I feel
Patience Mugura. Wow, beautiful.
About this.
Wow.
You're gonna have something
Just say hello to everybody and
African culture.
hey.
got a fine little body and her mind's kinda naughty. They say that once you taste it, you cannot replace it. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement, a body by Satan. She got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place off the liquor that we chase. Got some egos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on her tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict.
This is Mark Boltwood.
Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on her tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came.
Yeah, we are just back. We just docked. Yeah, and this is the place where we left from yesterday. So God has enabled us to have a very safe journey. Yeah, God is great. That is it. Thank you very much. Yeah, the whole crew come back very safe, sound.